Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Leavenworth, local and long distance movers near me. Long distance moves are also known as interstate moves. When planning one, you would benefit from having a weekly checklist. This will make it possible for you to track all your tasks, ensuring a smooth transition. Divide tasks into different weeks and then populate the list with reminders and noted without any family members is required to do so. If you don't have family relocation or living with you, you can always seek professional help from movers like 3 Movers. They will advise you on what you should do and how long you have to have a successful long distance move based on their experience. Remember, planning a long distance move last minute is a recipe for disaster. While local moves do not require months of planning, they also need the same attention as long distance moves. To avoid potential fines during local moves, carry a folder with you with any details regarding the move. There are times when you may be required to produce documents to prove that the moving truck is a rental one. This is primarily useful if you choose to hire vehicles to help you move. However, you want to deal with all the hassle if you hire the services of a professional movers. You can choose to request that movers help you with packing and unpacking your items and your belongings. Alternatively, you can hire their loading and offloading services. Another benefit of hiring moving services is that movers like 3 Movers have many services to meet the different moving needs customers have. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Leavenworth moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial, international, furniture, residential, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.